What is up, guys? I'm super excited because today I have a special treat for you, and it is because the people over at Ryze sent me a fun little gift, and let me show you what they sent.
Okay, let's see what's inside. Ooh, okay. I love this packaging. Let's have a look. They sent, okay, this is one of my favorite things that they make. It's their mushroom coffee. I've had it before and it is so delicious, but this is something I haven't yet tried and I'm super excited to use it. It's their mushroom matcha. Ah, so good. Oh my gosh, and I didn't know that they made this. Okay, this is really cool. Oh, are you ready? This is their probiotic creamer. Ooh, I am so excited to find out more about this. And look, it's vanilla flavor too. Oh, I love it. Okay, one more. Okay, I love their spoons as well. They have these cute little Ryze spoons.
They're so cute.
So cute, right, bud? And then they also have in this box some, oh, how to make a Ryze latte. Love that.
Cool.
What else do they have in here? Yeah. And, ooh, even better. Look, exactly what I need to know how to make their Ryze matcha latte and all the different mushrooms that are in it. Ah, I love it. Let's give this a try. Here is the Ryze Mushroom Matcha. Now, I'm really wanting to try this matcha because I typically love matcha anyway, especially because it's really high in antioxidants, which help to prevent cellular damage in the body. Now, with all of the Ryze's products, including this probiotic creamer, they contain functional mushrooms, which have been shown to have incredible benefits, especially when taken regularly. So the other thing I love about this creamer is it also contains a lot of probiotics, which are those good, healthy gut bacteria. So let's get to making some. This is 1 tablespoon of the matcha powder with 1 tablespoon of the probiotic creamer and a little bit less than a tablespoon of monkfruit sweetener. And as you can see here, I am stirring it like crazy for quite a while. I think that if you're using warm water or hot water, it would dissolve much more easily, but I wanted to make an iced matcha because it's so hot here right now. Then all I'm doing here is, after a lot of stirring, adding in some ice, and honestly, this was such a great, refreshing drink. I absolutely loved it. I was actually really pleasantly surprised by the flavor. Sometimes with matchas, it can taste a little fishy, to be honest, especially if it's a bad quality matcha, but this matcha powder is actually really high quality, and I love the fact that you're getting so many additional health benefits from the functional mushrooms that are in there. So if you already love matcha like I do, I think this is a great alternative to get even more nutritional bang for your buck. Also, it's super easy to make. I love the probiotic creamer. It really added a nice vanilla flavor, a nice creaminess to it, and I mean, so simple to use, so simple to take with you wherever you're going. So I actually love the mushroom matcha and the probiotic creamer. I think that they are fantastic additions to your healthy pantry. And also, I mean, what's not to love about the mushroom coffee? I've tried this before, as I mentioned. It does not really taste like coffee, but I think if you're really looking for more additional health benefits, you can add this to your existing coffee or in place of one of those cups each day to get the benefits of the regular use of the functional mushrooms. So huge thanks to Ryze for sending me these products. I love them so much, so I hope you'll give them a try. I'm going to link them below. Honestly, I don't think that there's anything you're going to hate about the Ryze products. They're such high quality, so flavorful, and so delicious.